Hey everyone! Ever wondered what it'd be like to have a jigsaw that cuts fast, precise, and totally hassle-free? In today's video, we're checking out 5 of the best jigsaws that make cutting through wood, metal, or plastic super easy and fun. Whether you're a pro builder or a DIY enthusiast, there's a perfect tool here just for you. You can check the price and full details of each product through the links in the description below. Product number 1. DEWALT 20V MAX Jigsaw. The DEWALT 20V MAX XR Jigsaw is a powerhouse built for professionals and DIYers who crave both power and precision. Its brushless motor delivers efficient performance and a longer runtime than older models, while its 3,200 SPM blade speed cuts through wood, plastic, and metal with ease. You'll love the compact and ergonomic design that ensures maximum grip and comfort during long sessions. The variable speed trigger gives you control for delicate cuts or full-speed slicing, while the LED light helps illuminate dark or dusty areas. The keyless, lever-action blade system allows fast blade swaps without tools, and the integrated dust blower clears debris for accurate results. Pros: extremely efficient motor, superb control, and bright LED visibility. Cons: battery not included, sold as a bare tool. Who it's for: perfect for serious DIYers or professionals who prefer cordless flexibility. Final verdict: a top-tier jigsaw offering precision, reliability, and long-lasting performance you can depend on. Product number 2. BOSCH JS260 Jigsaw. The BOSCH JS260 top-handle jigsaw stands out for its precision, smooth cutting, and overall stability. Equipped with a 6.0 amp motor, it delivers up to 3,100 strokes per minute, giving you the strength to handle thick wood, metal, and more. The variable speed dial and accelerator trigger let you fine-tune the speed for any job. Its 4 orbital settings offer the flexibility to switch between fine, smooth cuts and fast, aggressive ones. The low-vibration plunging mechanism ensures cleaner, more controlled results, while the multidirectional blade clamp gives a strong grip for consistent accuracy. You'll also appreciate the toolless blade change system, allowing quick swaps between T-shank blades. With an always-on dust blower and heavy-gauge steel footplate, this jigsaw delivers pro-level performance. Pros: smooth operation, strong build, precision cutting. Cons: doesn't accept U-shank blades. Who it's for: great for hobbyists and professionals focused on clean, accurate cuts. Final verdict: a durable, reliable, and user-friendly jigsaw that's perfect for precise, detailed work. Product number 3. Makita JV0600K Jigsaw. The Makita JV0600K is a professional-grade jigsaw that combines robust power with refined precision. Its 6.5 amp motor runs between 500 and 3,100 strokes per minute, letting you adapt speed to suit any material. The 3 orbital settings plus straight cutting mode offer maximum flexibility for smooth or aggressive cuts. Built with a counterbalance system, it minimizes vibration and fatigue, ensuring steady performance even during long projects. The through-the-body dust port connects easily to a vacuum, keeping your workspace clear and your line of sight clean. The tool-less blade change system makes swapping blades quick and convenient, saving you time on busy workdays. The solid construction and ergonomic handle make it comfortable for extended use while maintaining accuracy. Pros: excellent speed control, reduced vibration, long-lasting build quality. Cons: slightly heavier than similar models. Who it's for: ideal for professionals or dedicated DIYers who demand consistent accuracy. Final verdict: a durable, reliable jigsaw built for those who expect top performance every time. Product number 4. BLACK+DECKER BOSCH 600C Jigsaw. If you're searching for a capable yet affordable jigsaw, the BLACK+DECKER 5-amp jigsaw is a fantastic choice. It packs a 5-amp motor capable of producing up to 3,000 strokes per minute, making it perfect for everyday woodworking or home improvement tasks. Thanks to its curve control technology with 4 adjustable settings, you can achieve smooth curved cuts or precise straight lines easily. The adjustable shoe with wire guard provides added stability, while the 45-degree beveling feature allows for versatile angled cuts. The variable speed trigger gives you control to start slow and ramp up when needed, preventing splintering on delicate materials. Lightweight and ergonomic, it's easy to handle for long periods without fatigue. Pros: very affordable, great control, and perfect for beginners. Cons: corded design limits portability compared to cordless options. Who it's for: excellent for homeowners, beginners, and budget-conscious users. Final verdict: a reliable, easy-to-use saw that delivers quality results at a fraction of the price. Product number 5. WN33606 Jigsaw. The WN33606 6.6 amp jigsaw offers an impressive mix of power, control, and convenience, all at an affordable price. Its 6.6 amp variable speed motor delivers between 0 and 3,300 strokes per minute, allowing you to fine-tune the speed for different materials. The 4-position orbital knob lets you switch from smooth to aggressive cutting styles depending on your project. It features both a laser guide and an LED light, helping you follow your cutting line precisely even in darker work areas. You can use the built-in dust blower or connect a vacuum via the 1.5-inch dust port for a cleaner workspace. It even comes with a beveling footplate, multiple blades, and a fence bracket for straight-edge cuts. Pros: fantastic value, laser and LED combo, multiple speed and cut options. Cons: slight vibration at high speeds. Who it's for: great for beginners and casual DIYers who want versatility. Final verdict: a budget-friendly jigsaw that feels premium, ideal for light to medium projects at home or in the workshop. I share helpful videos for you every day. So, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon for notifications. You'll find all product links and updated prices in the description below. If you have any questions, feel free to comment. I'm ready to reply. We've done our personal research to save you both time and money. Our top 5 list is carefully made based on ratings, reviews, quality, and durability. So, you can confidently choose the best product.